10 seconds to Blue Peter down. This is start number 7-1 now. Blue Peter is down. 1 minute to go. 2758 is currently over the line. All boats are currently clear. 2775 coming towards us. 2758 jibed away, and his windward boat keep clear of 2727. Nearest boat to the line, 2775 coming towards us. 2773 currently on the line, could be over the line. 2781 tacking on to starboard. 2773 over the line. 2773 remains over the line, and it's going to have tricky getting it back. There's not a lot of room there. At the far end we have 2755, and right at the pin 2688. 2773 is currently highest up. 2755 could be in a position to be pushed over the line with 2783 underneath them. 2755 now on the line. Time to go roughly 10 seconds. 2755 nearest down near the pin, and right at the pin 2688. 3, 2, 1, clear start.
Now we've rolled.
Yep.
I don't know if there's anything left in that.
Heat 7, Saturday morning. Novices have just passed the 1 minute time. Nearest boat to the line, on the line at the moment, 2779, heading on starboard towards the pin, coming back our way, 2659 and 2735. 2705, now tacked and heading towards the pin also. 2779, closest to the line and on the line, 30 seconds to go. 2779 is currently over the line, 2735 is behind the line, 2779 is over the line. 2779 remains over the line, and we have 15 seconds to go. 2779 is heading back.
10 seconds.
10 seconds to go. 2659 is on the line. 2779 is back. All boats are now clear. 3, 1. Clear start.
Yeah, that was a good start from 2779.
Okay, we have 1 minute to go for the next start. So at the far end we have 2755 followed by 2722, currently tacking over onto port. Both boats now onto port. All boats currently clear of the line. We have a near collision in the middle of the line between 2688 and 2775. 2722 currently over the line on port, coming back towards us. 2777 going that way. 2755 closest to the pin at the other end, followed by 2781 and 2709 I think. 2722 still coming towards us on port. All boats currently clear. We have 5 seconds to go. 2755 at the far end, 2777 this way. Clear start. Can we do a count of the boats, please? See if we can do a count. 2652 currently over the line. 2652 currently over the line now on starboard, heading back towards the pin. 2659 following them. At the far end we have 2735 and 2629. Guys, can we just have some quiet, please? Clear start.
That was close. Thank you.